In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a board using a template in Monday.com so you can manage your goals and projects more effectively. First, open your Monday.com homepage and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. From the home screen, look towards the main area where you can create new boards. You'll see an option that's highlighted in the interface, usually something like New or Add. Click that highlighted option to start creating a new board. When the creation options appear, choose Start with Template. Using a template is a great way to skip the blank page feeling and jump straight into a structured setup. This will open the Template Center where all available templates are listed. At the top of the Template Center, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type your keyword, as shown in the highlight in the guide. This helps you quickly narrow down the list and find the specific template you're looking for instead of scrolling through everything. Once the search results load, click on the highlighted template in the list. This opens a detailed preview page for that template where you can see a description, example structure, and how it's meant to be used. Take a second here to review and make sure it fits your use case. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will now create a new board in your account based on that template. After a moment, it will open automatically. At the top of this new board, you'll see different views available such as Gantt, cards, and main table. Start by clicking on the Gantt view. This is helpful for visualizing your tasks along a timeline, seeing dependencies, and spotting overlaps. Next, switch over to the cards view. This gives you a more visual, column-based layout that's great for status tracking and quick updates. Then, click back into the main table view. This is your central hub where you'll edit most of the data. Within the main table, follow the highlighted areas to interact with specific items. Click on the key initiative, for example, Win 5 new business accounts. Then move across its columns. Select the phase, such as Account Creation, confirm details like Yes for whether it's active, and choose how it aligns with a strategic objective, for instance, aligns with Q1 Objective A. Continue by opening fields like Smart Goals, adjusting the priority from something like medium if needed, and setting a status such as need support. Finally, use the highlighted controls on the right side to expand item details or adjust more advanced settings, completing your customized board setup.